my goal is not to have any poopy diapers, and my baby is 1 month old. Can you believe it? Hey friend, it's Annisa, and if you don't know me, my channel got popular because I do Elimination Communication. EC for short. I started offering the potty to my babies when they were just a few weeks old, and this is my third baby that I'll be doing EC with. It allows me to have way less poopy diapers, and don't worry, I'll share you my secret in this video. So EC, also known as Elimination Communication, is not potty training. It is introducing the baby or infant or toddler an opportunity to use the toilets outside of the diaper. It's interesting because once you do it, you start noticing that babies actually don't want to soil themselves, but we train them to pee and poop in the diaper. I mean, they also can't communicate exactly what their needs are. They are communicating to us, but not in a way that we understand. And honestly, newborns' needs, it's a pretty short list. Like, this little girl is eating, sleeping, pooping, peeing, then goes back, eating, sleeping, pooping, peeing, and repeat over and over all day, 24/7. She does do some awake times where she's just like chilling and looking around. But other than that, if she is making a fuss or crying out, she wants one of those three things that needs to happen. I'm gonna try stuffing some cloth diapers while I do this video and while she's napping because, you know, moms here, we need to be multitasking. If you're watching YouTube videos on EC and going down the rabbit hole, seriously, you can start whenever you feel like, whether your baby be a few weeks old or a few months old. First off, when did I start? Well, some people, those really like professional EC people, they will actually catch the meconium, like that first newborn poop, which is like that icky, sticky black stuff. Yeah, that's not me. All right. So for my first one, it was a little bit later. I think she was like a month old. And then the second one, I did it when he was 2 weeks old. And this one, I started casually at 2 weeks old in the diaper. And then I actually really did start pottying her at 3 weeks old. So, but honestly, do whatever is comfortable for you. If you want to give it a try, you can give it a try when your baby is a few weeks old or a few months old. It really doesn't matter. So as I'm editing this video, I realize it's a little bit confusing. So my goal at this point in my EC journey and doing it a third time is not to have poopy diapers. I just don't want poop in the diaper. Pee, I don't really care about too much. I could care less. She pees in the diaper. I'm like, all right, so whatever. Good for you, child. If she does pee in the sink, out of the diaper, that's cool. I'll still tell her, hey, you peed. Good job. But seriously, I just want to catch all the poops. And that's mostly because they're icky. It's gross. It's gross in the diaper, gross on the baby. And then also I cloth diaper, so it's extra gross. Upon waking, so first thing in the morning when she wakes up for the day, like at 6:30, when her eyes are like starting to open and stuff, that's when I'll take off her diaper, her nighttime diaper, and then toss that one and offer potty. Usually I'll get like a pee. Sometimes she'll do a poop at that same time. So other times upon waking would be after a nap, after she's taken a nap and she wakes up, I'll offer potty as she starts waking up and getting fussy. And then the second time would be after feedings. So after a bottle or nursing session, and once she's burped, she's relaxing, and she starts getting a little antsy, I go ahead and take that diaper off, and then I offer potty again during that time, and that's another time where you have a good chance of catching another pee or poop. So if your baby just woke up, you know they're not tired, they're not hungry because they're not rooting, they're spitting out that, nipple, or they do that gag thing they do, then you know that's the next thing. They need to go use the potty. They either need to pee or poop. And that's when I offer the potty. I take off their diaper. I hold them over a receptacle or a little potty, a toilet, or the sink. And my husband will do it also. If she is really fussy and she's not taking the bottle, then he'll just take off her diaper, hold her over the toilet in this like deep squat position. I'll show you right here in the image. And then make the sound psst, or and then tell her it's time to go potty. Let's go potty. Go pee-pee if you need to. And then just wait. You wait a minute to like maximum 5 minutes. Like, you don't need to hold them that long. And then usually she goes. Yeah. The cleanup on their little bums is so quick and easy. And then I just use the sink wash their little butt, and then dab with a little toilet paper, tissue, or a little towel. And then that's it. Put the diaper back on, and the little girl is a happy camper and will go back to staring or, you know, want to eat again. I really prefer starting EC when they're a newborn stage because it's so easy. Their needs are really short, so there's not like a lot of distractions for them. I just want to talk about why we use the sink. We like to potty our babies over the sink. They actually really prefer it, and mostly because they can see themselves. They see their entire body, their face, their entire body, and their private areas. And it's interesting to them, right? Like, come on, they can't see themselves otherwise. And they're watching themselves in the mirror. So it's really cool for them to see, and that's why they prefer having a mirror or like being at the sink to do it. The cleanup is also really easy in the sink, but I do have to wipe down and sanitize my sink like every day or every few days, so I do that regularly. But I only have at this point like 1 to 2 poopy diapers a day, and you can see here that I'm doing cloth diapers, and it's also one of the reasons why I like doing EC, just because it saves on having dirty cloth diapers. Cloth diapers are a little bit more work. They do need to get washed, and then when they do poop in the diaper, sometimes that stain is a little bit harder to remove. There are ways to remove it, but you know, I'd rather just like not have her poop in the diaper. I don't want the baby, if that makes sense. Also, cleaning up poop on their little butt, it's like just a lot more messier, so I'd rather just have them poop in the sink. I'm not going to do a newborn potty training EC video for this little baby because I've already done one. So check out this video next if you want to see an actual newborn on how I do it. And in that video, my baby actually cues and pees on camera. That was not planned, but he was a good little actor. All right, and I'll see you in that video. Bye!